Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Flagstar Bank. If you need help with the Flagstar Bank, firstly open any of the web browser. In the top there's this address where I type down flagstar.com and enter it. And once you get inside this homepage, what you need to do is in the top right there's the support icon. Select that. Now from here you can also select frequently asked questions over here on the bottom. And from here, if you need any banking issues, online and mobile issues, or new loan, you can simply select that to inquire here. For example, if you need to check your account, you need to call an automated system. This is the number, and you can visit an ATM, sign in online or mobile banking, or you can use the instant balance feature in mobile banking. You can go back over here, scroll a bit down, and over here, you can get this number here as well. If you have any issue about the personal banking, online, or loan support, this is a number. You can also select this number, 24-hour self-service telephone banking, which manages your account 24/7 through an automated phone system, and other numbers over here. And that is it. That is how you can contact Flagstar Bank customer service. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.